For anyone starting out with Gunpla builds, here are the essential Excel blades tools that will help you bring your kit to life. Pliers, cutters, nippers, the very first tool you'll need. Perfect for removing parts from runners. Dedicated model nippers give you clean, flush cuts without stressing the plastic. Hobby knife, precision knife, your go-to for removing gate marks and cleaning mold lines. Its sharp, precise blade gives you total control for detailed work. Tweezers, fine point tweezers are a must when handling tiny decals or stickers, making sure every placement is neat and accurate. Sanding sticks, great for smoothing flat surfaces, refining panel lines, and cleaning up extruding parts for a polished finish. Cutting mat, a self-healing cutting mat not only protects your workspace, but also keeps your blades sharper for longer. Scribing tools, want to add detail? Scribing tools help you create or deepen panel lines for custom builds. And that's it, your starter set of tools for Gunpla building. With these by your side, you're ready to cut, clean, and create your very own model masterpiece.